Today, I'm needle felting
Something spooky.
Some assembly required. So originally I had planned to needle felt some little skulls, like maybe a regular skeleton kind of skull and like a sugar skull or something. But then, when I was gathering all of my materials, I found this cute little teddy bear that I had started over the summer when I was teaching online. I had sort of demonstrated, making guts of something. So I made a little bear to show, how you put on the arms and the legs and maybe you want ears. So I had it sitting around and I wasn't doing anything with it. And I said, what if I made him a skeleton? And I think that it's really, really cute. So here's my plan. First, I'll cover him with black so that he's sort of see-through looking. Not his head, though, because that's mostly just going to be skull. So I'll make the skull white and the rest of him black, and then I will add a lot of bones, details and stuff, and I think it's going to be really cute. I mean, scary. Terrifying? Probably not. Let's find out. He's really cute. The only problem, the thing that I was really trying to do is make it very, very smooth, but this black wool that I have is so hairy that I just had to give him a haircut to make it anywhere near smooth. It's still really fuzzy. I don't know if you can see any fuzz. Maybe you can't. Let's pretend that it's perfect. It's not perfect. But it's really, really cute. So I started off making the bones with a thin pencil roving, but that was also very hairy and I didn't like the way that it was going on, so I tore it off and just used tiny little bits of white, this white wool. was very nice and it felted really well, and I wish that I remembered where I got it because I'd like to get some more. But that just means I'll never find it again.
That's fine.
I think it also would have been cute if his head was just round, but I kind of pushed it in the skull-looking direction. So he's kind of like a bear wearing a skeleton suit. Lily was saying I should make it look like he's got a hood or, like a zipper or something, so it looks like a suit, but that's too much detail for me, and I'm fine with him the way he is. Also, we 3D printed this cool sarcophagus. You're not going to be able to get the detail in the, well, maybe a little bit. But look, you turn and it opens. Ah, it's so cool. There's a little mechanism in there and it all printed like that. Like we didn't have to put anything together. It just all printed the way that it was supposed to be. And then it locks. I think it's cool. I think it's supposed to be to hide candy or something, but it is almost the exact same size as this guy. His head needs to squash a little bit if he wants to go all the way in. I don't think it'll close, but that's okay. He's got a little place to hang out. Yeah, like that. So I thought that was appropriate. And that's his new hangout. He just can't get locked in. That's okay. You don't want to get locked in anyway. That's creepy. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make this little guy. He needs a name, so I have to think about that. If you are also interested in seeing me make skulls, I think that I may still want to do that. Let me know in the comments. I think that it seems fun. Maybe I'll make 2 sugar skulls and do one just felting and do one embroidered. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to see that? I kind of want to see that. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of video and you're not subscribed yet. My goodness gracious, what are you doing? You can subscribe right down underneath the video and click the notification bell so you will hear the next time a new video comes out. They come out on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and one of them may be those skulls. Until the next video, we will be hanging out, thinking of new things to make, trying to get up my guts to do the skulls. No. So, be awesome, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!